In Juneau, Alaska, on July 15, 2024, a patrol officer noticed Stephen Kissack, 35, believed to be connected to a recent assault. As the officer drew near, Kissack abruptly pulled a knife and waved it threateningly toward police. The situation that followed triggered a full emergency response from the entire unit.
Question for you. While we chat, can you just put the knife down?
No, that's all right. Why don't you back up from me a little bit?
No, I won't.
The judge told you to?
No. So, I have a question for you. You had a fight with a guy over at the Marine View apartment. I was wanting to get your side of the story on it.
Yeah, some guy fucking came up to me and was standing over me and yelling at me and fucking, like, right on my shit, telling me I gotta leave within the next 10 minutes or you're gonna call the cops.
And
yeah,
let the court system handle it.
Right on the camera, I even asked him, I was like, are you being an asshole? Are you trying to be an asshole to me? Or are you fucking just asking me to move? Because I told him to stop coming up to me. It's harassment. Next time he comes up to me, if you don't get someone else, I'll fuck him up so bad, dude. And that's on you, too. So you need to tell him that so that he knows.
Well, I think the problem was you were in a spot where you're not supposed to be and he told you to leave.
No, I was
and you're
right
not
on the
leaving.
sidewalk. I was right on the sidewalk. I might have been over the ledge a little bit, trying to stay out of people's way. That's what I was doing, dude. What do you mean where am I supposed to go right now while I'm trying to get my fucking record clear from you guys because some dumbass cop wants to jump around the corner?
Well,
I don't like the way you're looking at me. Back up. You understand?
put the knife down.
What is that?
Put the knife down.
Are you a little bitch?
Put the knife down. 161-1069. Put the knife down.
Why are you mad? You don't
down.
care about walking straight up to me like that? Like overbearing with your gun?
Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
You told me to get close
Put the
to you.
knife down.
That's what you've been telling me the whole time.
Put the knife down right now.
Hey, I want to get close
Steve,
to you.
stop. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Put the knife down. Put the knife down.
I'm going to put you under arrest.
Put the knife down.
You got a few seconds until I put you under arrest.
Steve, you're going to get shot. Put the knife down.
Okay, well, you know what? This is assault.
Put the knife down.
I'm under arrest for assault.
Put the knife down right now.
Because I'm just
Put the knife down. You are under arrest.
I'll die and I'll kill you for that.
Put the knife down. You're under arrest.
Put the knife down, Steve! Don't run at me.
Steve, put the knife down.
No, Steve! No! Put your knife down. Put the knife down, Steve!
Steve, put the knife down.
Right now! Stop freaking out! Stop freaking out, dumbass! Put it down! You see this guy? You see this guy? What did I do? What did I do? I'm a professional knife fucking jumper. I'm a professional knife jumper. These motherfuckers pull their guns out on me for no reason because they're scared of me. And they're trying to harass me, push me around, make me move.
Back up.
To kill me. That's what it's about.
Back
Run
up.
me ragged to kill me.
Put the knife down. Steve.
Why don't you guys do break, motherfucker? I helped you guys out.
In the
Now, 40. I'm gonna kill you. Stop right there. I have to do this because you're pointing that gun at me. 40 up. Let's go. Hey, stop right there. You stop right there. I'll shoot you. I'll shoot you. Stop right there. Stop right there. I will shoot you. Stay on line. Stay on line. Do it. Do it. Do it. Don't kill me.
Get back. Get behind the car. 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 Shots fired. Suspect down. We need medical. He's got the knife still. Kick it out of his hand. Get up. Stay back.
Look at my forehead. It's right there.
Stay on. 40 on. 40 on. Do it. Do it. Don't come on. I will shoot you. I will shoot you. I will shoot you.
Stop. Get back. Get back.
Get the knife still. Kick it out of his hand.
Get back. Get back.
Capital City Fire and Rescue, together with officers present, attempted everything possible to preserve his life. In spite of those attempts, Kissack was declared dead soon after.